Okay, I took a test trip and I didn't speak afterwards. I just went, holy shit. Now, if you noticed, it does not look right because it is the fake trugdified Typhon. I flipped the hubs on my Pro lines, so you guys can see that, because they did actually rub a little. Even though they fit on there perfectly, they did rub a little bit while I was driving. So poo-poo on me for that, for giving out bad info. This thing is gonna be a blast. Now, I do not recommend this setup. This is a shoddy way to do it, but I have the super meats with me, the black mambas. I thought it was gonna be pouring today. It's not pouring. So I didn't want to use the black mambas on grass. I really want to use them only for mud or sand because, yeah, they could break your drivetrain. Wow. Probably gonna need a fan on this thing too. Wow, this thing is fast. It's like a baby insane Creighton. Okay, I just gotta check and make sure that I'm on 100%. Speed demon. Just breaking her in. I did switch up the center diff. I put 500K in there. We got our body posts in. We got a front one raised up about an inch, and I probably went about an inch in the back too. As you can see, the body normally sits below here. We're well above that now, but it still kind of covers everything up. It still looks cool. I can handle that. Roof hits are going to be tough, but body posts are cheap. Whoa! Oh my God! Oh, I think I broke something, guys. That was insane. I think it needs a wheelie bar. Are you live? Yes? Okay. I said no, but... Wow! This thing is... Alright, I forgot to also mention, I pulled out my programmer and I went in and pretty much turned the punch up to like 8 or something. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a better front body post. That's not gonna cut it. Let me work on that. I just took a post, as you can see, and cut it and threaded the bolt up through there, but I think I need to do some, oh yeah, maybe a little trimming on the body for the steering too. Let's check that out real quick. It is nice being able to run it with the body though. Let's try to avoid any more triple backflips or cartwheels or whatever the fuck that was. Oh, I also had, if you buy the Outcast ones, if you're running 2.6S pack like me, you can see how much higher I'm running the body. You also have to space it out away from the rear a little bit, and as you can see, I'm pulling forward on them a little bit. It's not really, I don't understand why it's not set up to run 2.3S packs. Like, it's Spectrum Electronics, it's an Arrma vehicle. The Creighton has no problem obviously fitting in there, or the Mojave, so what the F, Arrma? I think I might upend after I end up destroying this body, getting like one of those little truck ones like Rich Duberbash has. What is going on here? Well, we're just gonna be easy on it, test it. Obviously you guys see I'm not ready to fully rip this thing yet. Running the wheels like this is probably super hard on the hubs. And train's gonna ruin my video anyway, so. I should know better, right? Oh my God, it's a beast. So before the train came, I was trying to say, and I did a huge flip or whatever in the fucking field. I took some timing out of the motor. I'm running it at 15 degrees and added some punch. So she's got a little bit more juice, as we say. So what I need to do is I need to place an order with Jenny eventually and get some Creighton hubs on there so I can run these Pro lines the right way. Wow, I can't even pull back the trigger all the way. And I was kind of worried about this setup, but if you look at where the Black Mamba rim rides, it rides right here with that disgusting, you know, spacer and the Black Mamba tire. So if you kind of look where the inside of the rim is, you know, it's right there. I got this extra little bit of tire. Like I said, I didn't want to run the Black Mambas in the grass or on pavement. So I could have just ran the guitars, but fun would that been on, guys. This thing is nasty. Yeah, I could feel. Yeah, look at that. So we gotta do a little body trimming. I have not shoe-gooed the body yet either. So I'm gonna do that. Definitely needs an upgraded servo, but we're gonna run this guy stock. That's right, I fucking said it. Stock. Obviously other than the wheels. We're just changing wheels, guys, on this thing. It's got amazing control. It's like razor sharp. I thought the Creighton was ridiculous, able to just pop it right around. Too weird. Well, I'm gonna have lots of fun with this, guys. That's it. There's the new Typhon. Running reversed hub MX-28s. It probably could do a standing backflip. I'm sure it probably could. I'm not going to attempt it right now. I'm too scared. We also have our TP 2300 kV motor that we were running in the Creighton. I think the Creighton's just a little bit too big and heavy. I don't really know what the weight difference is between these vehicles. But we're going to throw it in there definitely for some street runs and see if we can get this bad boy going 100 or more. uncontrollable with these tires. I'm gonna have to throw the guitars on it just to see how fast I can get this thing going. These things just balloon up too much. Oh, I am lying. We're not running it completely bone stock. I have the RPM rear bumper chassis protector coming for this section here, and I have a front bumper coming for it because I'm very scared of the way this whole suspension is just hanging out in the front of the car, being able to bounce off of things. But that's the way it was designed. This Spectrum motor is pretty impressive, not gonna lie. I gotta tighten up this post or make one out of aluminum. I think we're gonna make one out of aluminum. If anyone out there is listening to me and you have a 3D printer, boom, boom. Millions of dollars, or not millions, but easy stuff all the time that people need in the RC world. You could print. I don't know if you can, well, this would be my dimensions because I set this up, but I think you can make a pretty penny. Wing mounts, stuff. There's a lot of stuff out there, guys, that's out of stock. Pins, just simple crap you could probably make out of old drill bits and stuff like that. I just ain't got the time. I got barely the time to do this. This is on my lunch break. Oh my God, I'm barely just squeezing the throttle. There we go, that was half throttle. Boom.